one giant leap to hold ground, who at a steady pace and stealthily then diagonally murder fellow souls whilst I watch my brothers die, not allowed to grieve.
Pecking insects off my leaves and dancing in my hair, that life felt perfect. Out of the silence comes an army, men in hats and yellow jackets. A cacophony arose from their sinful mouths. Now,
Hardly. Or another, lost in history. I don't blame them. It looks quite easy, but it's all over if I get too easy. This could be the beginning of the booze. If only they were in my shoes.
My life has become a catastrophe. All of this was caused by me. I am money and disgust away.
Because you killed us. You don't remember our beauty. But years ago, people saw it, people used it, people loved it. Let us back.
bombs away. Everything gone in a blink of an eye. Everything charged. Everything turned to ash. When I fight for the light, even in the darkest of days, remember me when you're struggling to find your light. Dawn until I've done. And although I have company, I still feel alone, giving up in the sky a place I call home.
My teeth whitened forward like grit, my hands were from callous with grip, the rocks beneath my feet almost split.
That I should cherish my exquisitest feet. But who says that that's all that matters? I long to see the joy on children's faces when I'm passed over to them. The real dinners, with all it lays and what happened in their day. Yet, here I am, morning, noon and night, hoping to at least be inside.
Give you a smoke, give you a glare. My eyes are black, my body floating, or tormentor, always stalking and gloating. I'm a foe of which you cannot stop. After all, I'm just doing my job.
The air thick with his leering smile. Still, I was younger then. I learnt a lot of things that day. Now I know that the weakness is the scream you don't dare to let out, the mouth that doesn't open.
A plethora of grim-faced students stood before me, until I noticed a fresh gleam of light amidst the jet-black sky. A glimmer of hope in a dire situation. A human being. Silence. A hand reached out. I became useful.
Dancing around the cracks, ignoring the drip, drip, drip of time. We rush to pack what feels urgent, band-aids for the broken, yet we ignore the slow erosion, the widening space between laughter and the silence that settles like death.
As the water I will, and I am merely the silent executor. I earn, describe only beauty, to sketch the skies and the sea, to capture love's delicate pulse, or the tremor of a first breath.